I'm Penelope Fawn. I'm class of 2024. I'm an English major, swag minor, and I'm completing the 5 college APA study certificate. And I live in one of the Friedman Henshaw complexes. So here is my wall of collage of Vietnamese art I've collected over the years. So join VSA and go to VSA events and look at this wall of art. And then also had to plug my leg warmers real quick, very cyberpunk. And here we have my avatar tapestry, which very much embodies me in the Smith College campus because who doesn't like Avatar? And then over here we have my anime manga wall, and then my girls sign. We can't forget about that. And then over here I have my wall of Polaroids with all of my lovely friends I've made over the past 4 years. Not just at Smith, but in the 5 colleges too, because I take a lot of 5 college classes. And then this is the birthday one for my birthday. Shout out to all the Libras. And thanks for stopping by. Come and visit me.